Hello and welcome to Evolve Pipedrive Podcast, which are all things Pipedrive, sales, apps, and Pipedrive Marketplace. Today, I'm joined by Anton Patrai, who's the head of growth at Timelines, and he's going to walk us through the Timelines AI platform and how it integrates with Pipedrive. Anton, over to you.
Sure. So happy to do that. What you see is a starting screen of Timelines AI, and I just want you to look at how easy this is to start with WhatsApp and Timelines AI. Unlike WhatsApp Business API solutions, it takes absolutely nothing to connect your WhatsApp account to Pipedrive and to pretty much any other CRM on the market. So we start with scanning the QR code, and within like 30 seconds to a minute,
Are you doing
the
this live with us now? I saw you just.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
nice.
yes, I'm doing this. We are on a mission to bring WhatsApp to more businesses because it's an amazing channel. We all know that.
Yeah.
We'll discuss this in a bit. So I specifically wanted to show how easy this is to integrate WhatsApp into your business with Timelines AI. So at this point, if you have a device and a SIM card, your number is connected to Timelines AI, and you can count how much seconds it will take to sync everything to Pipedrive. So basically, you go to the Pipedrive tab and press connect, and at this point, uh, it's pretty much done. So what happens now? Everything that comes into this WhatsApp number that I just connected will get into Pipedrive. So if it's a new chat, it will create new person. If it's based on the settings, it can create or not create a new deal. You
Mhm.
can choose a pipeline. You can choose whether to sync new chats as a leads, and more importantly, all the messages that are coming to this number will be synced to Pipedrive 24/7 reliably on the background. Without, like, no matter what you use, you can use Timelines interface to send WhatsApp messages. You can use your own device. You can use WhatsApp app. You can use whatever. It will so Timelines in that regard acts as a pipe between WhatsApp and CRM system. So let me show you how it looks in Pipedrive, because actually there is nothing else to do. So at this point, we
Was
did
that easy peasy? I do have some questions. I saw things there like the group chats as well, which I hadn't seen before. So
Yes,
that's quite
yes.
nice. But yeah,
We do see group chats as well, and in fact, we were currently developing an update that will make it even more convenient from Pipedrive interface. But basically, that how it looks in Pipedrive itself. So we create on a daily basis. If the message comes in, we create an activity. So we don't want to spam the timeline with single messages.
mm,
So instead, we aggregate them in one activity. So which gets updated all the time for 24 hours window. So today is May 29th. So all the messages that will come to this contact. So the way we search for contact is quite straightforward. Obviously, we have a phone number, so we do a fuzzy match by the phone number in Pipedrive. So once we find if we don't find the contact, we create or person, as it's called in Pipedrive, we create a person. If we find a person, we add the messages to activity. So I just sent this test. If I take my phone and I will send another message, it will appear here. So basically, at this point, you'll have a history of the entire conversation, kind of conveniently placed in a person timeline.
mm.
Also, one thing to note that we create an activity and immediately mark this is done, so it doesn't pollute your tasks or anything like that. It basically just happens uh, like unnoticeably in a way, but you get everything synced. So from Pipedrive interface perspective, what you get is this active panel that basically shows you some of something like a license status and so on. But most importantly, it gives you an opportunity, an option to send a message from Pipedrive without touching a device or WhatsApp app or anything. So sometimes you need to send a quick message with attachment. You can pick.
So are those files attachments from Pipedrive?
Uh, that's a very good question. I'm guessing yes.
Yeah, if you, what does it say underneath it? So if you, no, if you click out of that, oh no, it says something underneath it. So under
Uh,
file, that's it. So attachments are files from the
yeah.
person or deal. Upload. Okay, so
Yeah,
I think,
so you see, even if it's not obvious, we worked on our UX and UI, so you can
yeah,
you can read the explanations, and it's kind of
that's
self-explanatory.
cool. Yeah,
But at this point, I also would like to use the opportunity to like give you an overview of what's in the works right now, because this queue is very much Pipedrive related, and we are bringing a lot of Pipedrive updates. And one of the most requested features is to include templates here, because
yeah.
sending a message is fine, but users really want templates. And the cool thing about templates is that it can use variables from persons and deals, and basically any field you have in Pipedrive, you can include that. This is
Mhm.
something like, it's not even in a backlog or in a roadmap. This is something we're developing at the moment. So
Yeah.
it will be live within a few weeks. And the way it would work, you can create any amount of templates. You can pull all the this will be done within Timelines interface. You can pull all the variables. You can add any fields, create any like amount of messages, and from this interface you can easily send them by just selecting the template that you'd like to
Perfect.
send.
That's cool. And I also, it also looks like any attachments sent to you and then linked within that as well,
Yeah,
right? Yeah.
absolutely. So within this conversation, there was the attachment that I sent in the morning.
Yeah.
So yes, everything is attached. Like
Nice.
audio messages are attached as well. Yeah, like from Pipedrive perspective, we also this is, by the way, this is our Chrome extension that comes free on any plan, and it gives you a bit more than this, because here you don't have a context of the conversation. Like, you have to go here, check the conversation, then send a message, and just for convenience. And this works like not just with Pipedrive, but with any web page where it has a number. So what our Chrome extension does, it scans the page for a phone number. So far, it obviously found two. So it found my number that's connected, and it found the person's account that's Timeline's support number. So this is, by the way, we are multi-number solution. So that's the core, the core pain point, or the core problem that we solve, is that we can connect any amount of WhatsApp numbers to Pipedrive. So this is one of the illustration how it works. So I have three numbers connected from in multiple workspaces, so I can choose which one I would like to write from. So
Mm-hmm.
in this case, I'm gonna pick this one. And hi, another test, just a quick showcase. So here unlike here you have like your typical chat view. You can pick up on a history of conversation, you can quickly send something, and here actually you can attach files from your drive, and I know how much it take, like 5 seconds
Yeah.
to message for a message to sync. So it's instant sync, and it works like that. Now you don't need to have your device like turned on or anything like this. If you go use WhatsApp app, it will still sync. So this is, I guess, the core feature of the integration, is that you always have this historical. This will never get deleted or anything like that. So it
Mm-hmm.
stays with you as long as you use Pipedrive. So from the sync perspective, in a nutshell, this is it. So that's what we offer. We offer like reliable 24/7 sync, and for pretty much any CRM on the market.
Yeah.
But that's not it, of course. Unfortunately, what the when it comes to workflows, Pipedrive is not the strongest CRM. Although, like, we love Pipedrive, we use Pipedrive ourselves for our business, but Pipedrive workflows, well, let's say they're lacking a bit. And one of the main thing that they lack is third-party integrations. So we would love to allow our users to send messages from Pipedrive workflows, but unfortunately, they just don't
Mm.
allow third-party integrations there. Every time we have a conversation with the Pipedrive team, we bring this up because in most other CRMs we do have that. However, we got you covered with pretty much native Zapier integration. We are
Yeah.
golden Zapier partners, so we have around 20 triggers and actions there. We also have a cheaper solutions like Integrately. This is basically a copy of, I mean, it's not a copy of Zapier, but a similar product that
Yeah.
gives you the same user interface, but just 5x cheaper.
Yeah.
You can do make, you can do anything, and what's important is that you don't have to do this alone. We also provide webhooks and public API with like dozens of endpoints.
Nice.
We recently expanded our customer success team. And I mean, it's truly customer success. We do things for you. Our customer success team will hop on a call. They will listen to your requirements. More importantly, because Timelines is now basically covers like hundreds of use cases in like 50 countries. We have thousands of clients, so we've collected this kind of like industry knowledge of what moves the needle. What's the first thing you need to do with WhatsApp, with like not so obvious things you can automate in your workflows, how to integrate AI into your workflows with
Yeah.
WhatsApp, and so on. So we bring this to you, and we help you implement this. Like literally our team will implement and jump on another call to help you set this up. So and this is like not an enterprise feature for our biggest clients. We literally offer this. Like last week, we expanded our outreach. So basically, we offer this anyone on trial. So
Oh, amazing.
yeah, and I mean, and this kind of shows the uh, because with WhatsApp and generally like nowadays the tech stack is so huge, so you really need that kind of help. You need to integrate this WhatsApp between like different solutions. We recognize that, and so our customer success team is very technical. So
Yeah.
it was like, and yeah, so we're helping pretty much anyone who asks, and we not just who asks, we're proactively offering our help to anyone.
I love that.
Yeah. So I guess from the Pipedrive perspective, last thing I would like to mention is that well, actually, you do get a few more features. I mean, Timelines as a software, it's we call it solution. It's a suite. It offers so much more than just the CRM integrations. One thing to note is that you can integrate as many numbers as you want. So this is what we focus on. We have a lot of like one number users, but a lot of our clients they have like account management and sales teams that use multiple WhatsApp numbers, and this becomes a pain to integrate all of them
Mhm.
into Pipedrive and Timelines. This is done out of the box. You just invite your team member. He goes through exactly the same process. You just need to scan a QR code, press connect Pipedrive, and it will work for them. Owner on CRM integration plan will always have the shared inbox screen,
Yeah.
which is basically which shows you this is unique. We call it unify inbox. So basically all accounts that's connected to Timelines, they will show in one feed here. So if you connect 50 accounts, you will see a live feed, real time of all conversations that you can filter the way you want. You can create teams, you can create like a set of numbers, you can filter them, you can like review them. It's completely interchangeable. This is also unique features. So it's not just kind of like read-only thing for you to control. Agent one can if he has the permissions, he can reply from like agent two number and so on. So people can work in shifts from the one number. So it's
Yeah.
like shareable. It's shareable. It's interchangeable, and that's kind of the core pain point we solve for businesses is removing that blind spot that immediately appears once you start using more than 2 3 numbers, or you have remote employees who use their own WhatsApp accounts, and you have to rely on them to keep the standards of communication high, to reply to your customers, and so on. Now you don't have to. Like, you can
Yeah.
literally see every single message that's coming through their accounts, and by this using the by utilizing this ability to interchange people, to you can assign like support that will handle non-critical communication. For example, you can like improve response rates, you can improve like customer success rates, and so on. So this is like the second part of Timelines, where we provide this unified inbox with numerous capabilities to for your business to remove the blind spot, get control over your WhatsApp communication, and improve performance on many levels. We offer some smart tools like AI integrations, a bunch of other integrations, and once again, our customer success team, they will tell you exactly like what kind of tools you can use today without paying anything extra, since you already have Timelines, how you can utilize that, how you can build the workflows that will move the needle, that will release your team from manual data entry, and give you as an owner or as a supervisor, will give you a clear oversight of what's going on, where there's like weak points, where the strong points, and all that. So Timelines is just a WhatsApp management solution that will help your business perform better on the like most popular messenger.
Yeah, I love it. I think that's awesome. And I can tell that there's a lot more on the app as well, right? So things like mass messaging and understanding that. So I'd really we'll have links below for you to give it a try yourself. And as Anton said, the customer success team are there to help you out. So do ask the question, and they'll help you with any questions you got when you are going through the trial.
Sure.
Well, Anton, thank you very much, and thank you for walking us through the timelines and how to integrate a pipe drive. Cheers now.